Suzuki just made a bold move that nobody saw coming. The RMZ badge is going supermoto, and the all-new 2026 RMZ 1050 is here to dominate both street and track. This is either genius or madness, and we're about to find out which. You're watching Next Gen Reviews. Design. The RMZ 1050 looks absolutely aggressive. Suzuki has taken their championship-winning motocross DNA and transformed it into a street-legal beast. The sharp bodywork, angular fuel tank, and racing-inspired graphics make an immediate statement. The tall stance and minimal bodywork keep things purposeful, while the single-sided swing arm adds a premium touch. Available in championship yellow and metallic matte black, this bike demands attention. The exposed trellis frame and premium finishes showcase Suzuki's commitment to quality and performance. Here's where things get serious. The liquid-cooled 1000cc V-twin engine pumps out an impressive 128 horsepower and 79 pound-feet of torque. Power delivery is aggressive in the lower gears, but surprisingly manageable thanks to advanced throttle mapping. The quick shifter makes clutchless upshifts effortless, and the slipper clutch prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. At 410 pounds wet, the RMZ 1050 feels incredibly flickable for its size. This is a bike that wants to be thrown into corners and wheelied out of them. Features and technology. Suzuki loaded the RMZ 1050 with track-ready technology. The full-color TFT display offers 3 riding modes: street, sport, and track, each adjusting throttle response and traction control settings. Speaking of traction control, it's a sophisticated 5-level system that's genuinely useful. The fully adjustable Showa suspension can handle everything from commuting to track days. Brembo brakes with radial mount calipers provide incredible stopping power, and the cornering ABS system adds confidence in all conditions. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 is a supermoto that refuses to compromise. Would you take this to the track, or is it too extreme for everyday riding? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and share it with your riding crew. Don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for comprehensive motorcycle coverage, and ring that notification bell to catch all our latest content. Stay safe and keep the rubber side down.